Hey guys, welcome back. In my last video I did a little comparison soundbite test thing, and I asked if you could hear the difference between an inductor being connected or not. When I listened to it, I couldn't really hear a difference. Now having said that, I did edit this out of the last video. There was a few times where I thought, oh yeah, you can kind of hear a difference, but I had the preconceived notions that I should be able to hear a difference, and I thought I knew what those differences were. So if I was in a blind listening session, I really don't think I would have heard the difference, which definitely answers my second questions of is it better and is it worth it? So you can see there, I did think I kind of heard a difference, and I've done some more listening, and I can hear a little bit of a difference there, but definitely not one that makes me think this is worth including in the crossover. However, some of you said the difference was obvious, you heard it without even really paying attention. It had to be left in. Some of you said you preferred it without, but most wanted the inductor left in. So I put up a poll and I got quite a few responses. About 19% of you said it was so obvious you most definitely would hear a difference if I did it blind. And about half of you said you think you heard a difference but not sure you'd be able to pick it out. So for that half of you, I figured it'd be kind of fun to do to see if you do get it. And for the almost 20% of you who are certain you could hear it, it'll be interesting to test your claims. So I've done the same type of recording with 4 songs this time, and I'm going to mix it up. You won't know when the inductor is connected or without. I'm just going to simply label them. I'm not sure if I'll post the results at the end of this video or maybe wait a week, let people comment, and then put the results in the comments, and I'll pin the comment to the top so you can come back in a week and look at the comments, and there will be the results, and you can compare it to your own comments. No going back and editing comments. So anyways, without further ado, let's go to song number 1. Here we go. Okay, A or B? Alright, next, song number 2. Here we go. And C or D, what do you think? Alright, song 3, here we go. Anybody have a choice on E or F? Getting tough? Not sure you're as confident as you were? Alright, last song here. Here we go. Alright, final guess for G or H. Any guesses? Put it in the comments below. See how you do. Did you get all 4? Maybe you only got 2 or 3 out of 4. You know, you got a 50-50 chance. So 2 is kind of like you might have heard a difference there. 3, you're starting to see some positive results, I think. If you can get 4 out of 4, that's pretty good. I really don't think I could do that. I'll post up those results. I'm pretty sure I'm going to wait a week. Let a few of you put your neck out there, put the comments in, give me your A, B, C, D, E, F, or G, H, and then I'll pin a comment showing the results in about a week and see how people stack up. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you very much.